So these meal kits can be either plant-based or you could add in animal protein if you want. With, for example, the Fajita Kit, you could add in chicken or some shredded beef, maybe some shrimp. All right, so you guys ready to make our next kit?
Yes.
Okay, we are gonna make a Fajita Kit. So in this kit, we've got some, call it out.
Tomato.
Yep, and what are these?
Garlic.
Close in the same family, but these are,
Onion.
yes, these are onions, and we've cut them a little bit differently so that they're long and stringy, kind of like the peppers that we have here. Why don't you guys label this bag for us, and we'll just put fajita on there, and you guys label that bag. Good job. Okay, so open your bags. London, I know this is your favorite tool, so we're gonna let you use that one.
Yes, this is my favorite. 1.
2 scoops?
I think probably about a third of the bag full.
Okay, so that's
Yeah.
3.
There you go. And if we were at home in our own kitchen, we'd just be like grabbing these and throwing them in bags,
Okay,
right?
now we need onions.
Yep.
So what do we need?
Okay.
for onions?
Laura, you want to do onions?
I'll do onions.
Okay, thank you.
All right.
I'll hold for you.
Thank you. Oop. See, that one just fell in the spice.
Yeah, it's perfect.
It kinda
Yeah,
looks
well,
like
I'll just throw,
Thank
I'll
you.
throw it in right there. All right, and then maybe we'll switch bags. Does that work?
Yes,
Then-
and then do our each other's back.
Yeah. This is so much better with lots of people. Can you imagine doing this on your own?
That would be fun.
Like
too.
if you went to the farmer's market and you had all this produce and you had to cut it by yourself, it would take a really long time.
That's good.
That is why shopping and cooking.
Yeah. That's why it's fun to work together on this little project.
Is this bag gonna be an onion lover bag?
Yes.
Sure.
Okay.
We're gonna do onions, a lot of onions, and a lot of
Okay.
Yeah, because when these get cooked down later, when you take this out and you're making your fajitas and you've got them sauteing, the onions caramelize and they get sweeter and sweeter and sweeter. It's like the sugars come out of it and they taste nice and sweet.
There you go.
Okay, and then into our fajita bag, we're just gonna add a spice blend. And so in our blend that we're gonna use, we've got some garlic powder, we've got some cayenne pepper, paprika, and a little chili powder. So, Laura's our spice girl.
Well, I'll be the 6th spice girl since all 5 are right here.
Okay.
So- And how many scoops?
I think
will be
like
going in
2.
here?
5,000.
Maybe
Alright.
3.
All right.
Put the whole thing.
You guys like a lot of spice in your fajitas?
No.
No?
I did that.
Here, I'll do a little half for the nose.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
All right, and give it a little shake and then seal it up. Get all that air out of there. And we've got our fajitas done. Good job, you guys.
Shake it off.